Good morning,
Good
children.
morning, teacher.
How are you all?
Fine, teacher.
Very good. In last class, we started the chapter Carts and Wheels. Okay. So what we learned in that chapter, let us see once. This is the circle with center point. What is a circle? A circle is a closed figure which has no corners, no sides. Okay, ma? So this is called circumference of the circle. So the length of the boundary is called circumference of the circle. From the center to any point on the circumference, the distance between center to any point on the circle is said to be radius. Is said to be radius and is denoted by r, small r or capital R. And the distance between any 2 points on the circle or the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is said to be chord. Is said to be chord. Okay? And what is the longest chord? Which is nothing but diameter. The line segment joining the points and which is passing through the center is said to be diameter. So PQ is diameter. Okay, ma. And a circle has so many radius. So many radius means we will call it as radii. Suppose here OP is radius, OQ is radius, OR is radius, OS is radius. So these all are called radii. Radius is singular form and radii is plural. Is it clear, children? And we have a relation between radius and diameter. We know that clearly diameter equals to 2 into radius. So radius equals to half of the diameter. This is the relation between radius and diameter. So here it is given for us, radius is 3 centimeters. Then find diameter. Radius means r, it is given for us 3 centimeters. Now we need to find out the diameter. Diameter equals to what, ma? 2 into radius. So 2 into 3 centimeters, which is nothing but 6 centimeters. These are all things in previous class we learned. Yeah. If diameter is 10 centimeters, then find radius. So diameter is given 10 centimeters. Now we need to find out radius. Radius equals to half into diameter. So which is nothing but half into how much we have diameter? 10 centimeters. So 2 ones are how many times it will go? 5 times. So the diameter is 5 centimeters. Sorry, the radius is 5 centimeters. The radius is 5 centimeters. Children, did you understand how to find radius if diameter is given and how to find diameter if radius is given? So now do the following problems. Find the radius of the circle if diameter is given 10 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle if diameter is given 22 centimeters. Now find the diameter if the radius is 9 centimeters and find the diameter of the circle if radius is 34 centimeters. Do the problem. Children, in last class I told you to bring compass. So we know how to draw a circle using bangles. Okay, With free hand also you can draw, and using different circular objects we can draw the circle. But today we are going to learn how to draw a circle. Use a compass. So this is called compass. Okay. So here in this point we have to keep pencil. And make sure that the 2 points should be equal. The point of the pencil and the point of the compass should be equal. Okay. And then fix it. And then fix it. Okay, ma? So fix the compass like this. You have to tight the screw here. You have one screw here. You have to tight the screw after fixing the pencil. Okay, children? Yeah, children, take the scale. Okay, suppose this is your scale. Now, we need to draw a circle of radius 2 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 2 centimeters. Okay. So what you have to do is, first of all, we already fixed this compass. Okay. Now you have to do it in your classwork. Now keep the point of compass at 0 and the point of pencil at 2. Okay. Now I have taken the radius of 2 centimeters. All of you done it? If you completed, show your thumb. Very good. Sucheta, now fix a point here. This is the center. This is the center. Keep the point of compass at that center and draw the circle. And draw the circle. Keep the point of compass at center and draw the circle. Completed, ma? Very good, Sucheta. Show it to me. Sucheta, show me your book. Yes, very nice. Khadir, very good. So, what you have to do is, at that point, you have to write O. Center, I told you, we will denote with O or C. Okay? Write it. Yeah. Suppose this is the circle of 2 centimeters radius, what you have drawn in your classwork. Now, the center point is O and draw a radius here, some P, which is nothing but 2 centimeters. Like this, you have to denote in your classwork. Sucheta, show it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Show it to me. Laina. Yes, very good, Laina. Oh, very good, Rahul. Nice, ma. So what you have to do is, first draw 2 centimeters line segment. Draw 2 centimeters line segment using scale. Okay. And then measure with compass. And then measure with compass. So like this. So point of compass at O and point of pencil at P. And again, keep the point at any point. Keep the point of compass at any point. You can keep it at P or you can keep it at O. And then draw a circle. And then draw a circle. Okay, ma? This is another method that you can draw a circle. Yeah, draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. So 3.5 centimeters, how you will take? This is 0, 1, 2, 3. In between in your scale, you can find one line between 3 and 4. Check it little bit big line than the smaller divisions. So that is the 0.5 division. So you have to keep the point of compass at 0 and point of pencil at 3.5 like this. Okay, and then draw the circle. Take the point, center point, and draw the circle. All of you complete it, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Sucheta. But I told you to show the radius there. Show the radius there.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Nice. Very good, ma'am. Abhi? Abhi Pranay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, did you complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Litla, very good, very good. Children, is it clear how to draw circle using compass? Yes, I know you can do it very well. Now, draw a circle whose radius is 8.5 centimeters. Using compass you have to draw. Using compass, draw a circle whose diameter is 16 centimeters. Now, here this is the center point and here I have some circles. What you can observe by this figure? What you can observe by this figure? Can anyone from the class raise your hand? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from this we can see that there are from one center point only there are many types of circles with
Yes, very
different
good.
centimeters.
Here you have only one center point and we have so many circles as one center having one center. So many circles having one center. So what are these circles called? Suppose this is the first circle, this is second, third, fourth. So what is the radius of first circle? This is the radius of first circle. Okay, ma? Here, OP is the radius of first circle, OQ is the radius of second circle, OR is the radius of third circle, and OS is the radius of fourth circle. So, these four circles are having only one center and different radii. These type of circles called concentric circle. Concentric circles. Two or more circles having one center point and different radii are called concentric circles. So who will read, ma? Faiza, read it, ma?
Ma'am, two or more circles having same center but having different radii are called concentric circles.
So these three circles are having one center point and different radius. These type of circles are called what?
Concentric circles.
Very good. Concentric circles. So by using circles, we can make different types of patterns. Let us see some patterns.
Ma'am, one of them is the Olympic.
See here, these circles, these patterns are made with compass. Using compass, we can do these patterns. I will show how to do the patterns. One of them I will show, okay? Later you can try it to do so many patterns which you want to do, you can do. See, observe this. In these patterns, we have only circles only. Observe this clearly. Yes, these are some patterns which we can make using circles. Draw concentric circles of radii 3 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Make it fast, ma. Yes, very good. So they write their radius there. OP, how much you have taken? 3 centimeters. Next 3.5, 4 centimeters. Okay. Show the radius there on the line.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, look at the next one. Using compass, draw a circle whose diameter is 12 centimeters. So children, observe that here what is given for us? Diameter. If we want to draw a circle, we need radius. So we have diameter here. So for that we need to find out the radius first. To draw a circle, we need to find out the radius first. So what is the radius here? Half of the diameter. So how many times it will go? 6 times. So now you have to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So suppose that is the circle. This is the circle of radius 6 centimeters. But here we need to show the diameter. So join this. This is 12 centimeter. AB is diameter here, which is nothing but 12 centimeters. Okay. Very good. But while doing that drawing, take a little bit. Only single line you have to draw. There you can draw the thick line. Don't do like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You're unable to see. Yeah. Very good. Fine. So diameter 12 centimeters. Excellent, ma. 1 minute. Yes. At 12 centimeter, you have to draw diameter there. See, ma, diameter you have to do there. Okay. 6 centimeters radius is okay. But 12 centimeters, you have to draw diameter, full line. From A to B, it is diameter. Okay. So, full you have to, the line which is the line segment which is passing through the center is called diameter. So, we have to draw full line, 12 centimeters. Now draw the following. Draw concentric circles of radii 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Draw another concentric circles of radii 2.5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters. And draw any 4 patterns using circles. Children, while drawing, you have to use compass only to make the patterns. Children, look at the picture and answer the following. Name 2 diameters of the circle. Name 4 radii of the circle. Name 2 chords of the circle. If AB equals to 4 centimeters, then OA equals to dash centimeters. If OE equals to 2 centimeters, then EF equals to dash centimeters. Children, now observe the picture and write the following. PQ is what? In this picture, what we will call PQ. PQ is what? Means, for example, I am saying here PQ is diameter. Like that you have to write. ST is dash. OR is dash. OP is dash. Thank you, children. I hope you understand the concepts and how to draw circle using compass if radius is given and also when diameter is given. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next class. So complete the questions and send the answers to me. Okay, children. That's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.